Hi friends, how are you all? I hope all are doing good. See friends, in this video we are going to see SBI Clerk Mains 2021 results and see friends, importance of language proficiency test. First we going to see exam results. See friends, this month actually 1st and 17th we have SBI Clerk Mains examination, and after then actually every year what SBI is doing, after last slot they were taking almost 1 month time, 1 month 1 month time, but they can give within 1 month also, they can give results within 1 month also. So as per my prediction, you will get probably November 3rd week, November 3rd week you will, we can expect the results of SBI Clerk Mains 2021. Once they declare the results, after then you will have only 10 days, only 10 days you will get mail regarding your document verification. After that your joining will be there. After that hardly 15 days, after 15 days your joining will be there. Last year also SBI done same thing. So they given results in December, and they recruited in January itself, they recruited in January itself. So this time also they're going to do same thing. So but you can expect results in November, and your document verification it in December, and your joining will be maximum in December. If it is not possible, it will be in January, it is in January. See friends, when it comes to LPT, about language proficiency test, how they will conduct, we going to see in this video. Actually we have language proficiency test three types, means how they will conduct we going to see. There are 1 2 3 types, like read, write, speak. Whichever the state you are opted for, like SBI clerk, so you have to get that official language. You have to, how you have to know how to read, how to write, how to speak. So only one difference you will get here, written part. See friends, they're going to, like someone will be dictate some passage, so you have to write that one. Otherwise they will give you one passage, you have to answer 1 2 3, like 10 questions will be there, you have to answer 10 questions. In written part this will be there, someone will detect something, someone will read some passage, you have to write. Otherwise they will be giving one paper, in that passage will be there, you have to answer 10 questions. So you have to get 10 so each section carries maximum 10 marks, so out total 30 marks. For all this section you have to get 10 out of 10, means it is not like that. You have to score minimum marks, like 4 to 6 marks in each section. So minimum 4 marks, maximum 6 marks in each section. See friends, like reading part, writing part, and speaking part. If someone fails in LPT, like in IBPS case, in IBPS case they will give you some time, like 6 months they will give, 6 months they will give a time for who failed in first time in IBPS LPT. But whereas in case SBI, someone who like last year who undergone this LPT, his experience shared with me, so we going to see what he wrote in that one. See friends, here you can clearly see State Bank of India 2020 and present. A short and precise answer to this question is a no. See friends, about LPT, so what he is saying, a short and precise answer to this question is no, means they will give 6 months time or not, means there is no, he said it is no. SBI very strict in language proficiency test, unlike banks recruiting through IBPS. So IBPS they will give 6 month time, Iran is where in case SBI they won't give any time, that is the meaning of that one. And SBI does not give additional time and several chances to clear language proficiency test. So SBI not give, if you again supposed to fail after 6 months, in IBPS clerk case they will give 3 more months to appear for LPT, but in SBI case they won't give any time. If you have applied from any state, the official language of which you have not studied in class 10, you will have to appear in an additional test of language proficiency test. After your preliminary and mains examination you are cleared, so will be, you will be recruited in bank if and only you successfully clear the language proficiency test along with preliminary and mains examination. So this guy is very clear. After clearing preliminary and mains examination and after clearing LPT only, we have place in SBI, otherwise we don't have place in SBI. If unfortunately you could not make it in the language proficiency test, no matter how high marks you have scored in mains examination, so if you would have scored very good score in mains examination but you unable to clear language proficiency test, what he is saying that our candidature will be cancelled. You will be rejected on the basis of your unsatisfactory performance in your language proficiency test. See friends, unsatisfactory performance. So it is better to go through the annexure of the official language of the state as provided by the bank in its notification. So in SBI clerk, they have given official language of particular state. So go through once for recruiting of junior associates and make sure that you apply from the state the official language of which is best known to you. So what he wants to convey us, so we better learn, we better learn official language of that particular state which we are opted for, okay, at the time of our applying the or filling the our application form. In my personal experience also, I know that SBI won't give time for this LPT. So try to learn language of particular state if you confident of your success in SBI clerk mains, SBI clerk mains examination. So see friends, if they will give, we all are happy. If they will give 6 months time, all are will be happy. If they reject, see friends, we can't say outside. After SBI mains examination results, we can tell someone that I am I am selected, you are selected, someone selected. But if you not supposed to clear language proficiency test, if they will reject, you understand the situation that we can't tell same thing, we got selected in so and so SBI clerk particular state. So it is better for us to learn SBI clerk language proficiency test which we are opted for particular state. So my only one thing to convey you guys, so whoever whoever applied for the other states, it's better you have to be always safe side, you have to be safer side. So try to learn that particular state language proficiency test. SBI they will conduct SBI they will conduct LPT test. First they will conduct LPT test only. So after then you have document verification. So they will call you for LPT only first. After then document verification. So it's we want to be safer side. So try to learn language of particular state you are opted for. So thank you friends for your support. Take care. Bye friends.